Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Brazil today, discovering the beauty of Iguaçu National Park. We're about to soar over the emerald Iguazu Jungle right into the thunderous, jaw-dropping Iguazu Falls. Let's go! Look, perfect shadow on the green and flawless skies. Iguazu is one of the new 7 wonders of nature and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The natural border between Brazil and Argentina. You can see the falls from either side. The Brazilian side offers sweeping, panoramic views, while the Argentinian side delivers up-close, thunderous moments that make you feel the full power of nature. Now it's time for a quick geography quiz. How many waterfalls make up the mighty Iguazu Falls system? Any guesses? Well, there are actually around 275 individual waterfalls here, though that number can change slightly with the water level. Incredible, right? The mist rises like a living spirit from the valley, wrapping the jungle in mystery and light. It's moments like this that remind you, no matter how many wonders you've seen, nature always finds a way to leave you speechless. view from above is absolutely breathtaking. Right ahead is the Devil's Throat, the most powerful and breathtaking part of Iguazu Falls. The park opens from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., 8:30 a.m. on weekends, and the entrance fee for international visitors is about 21 euros. Honestly, I think it's totally worth it. The views, the thrill, everything. Drop me a comment and let me know. Are you ready for this incredible adventure? Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to like, share, or leave a comment if you have any questions or want more information. See you next time.